So hey guys, today I came up with a new beauty hack, a hack tip or whatever you call. So it's just a good wonder for your acne, and I tried it many times and it really worked wonders for me. So the basic thing is just you need a Johnson's baby powder. So you can take any type of baby powder. I think I've seen many flavors in it, like some blossoms and all. So I took the basic general one, and you need a Dabur Gulabri rose water. So any kind of rose water. You can also work out with normal water, both works very well, but rose water is like it keeps you moisturizing. So this hack, you just gonna mix this powder with this water and make it a paste. So before applying, make sure that your face is really clean. So you should have nothing on your face, not even a moisturizer, and make sure it's clean, not oily, dry or something. So I'm gonna try this mask only during nights because after this mask I want my skin to breathe, because during mornings, after the mask, and if you go for work or a college or something, you end up putting on makeup, and this mask doesn't have enough time to work on your face. So I just apply it during nights, and it works. So let's go for the recipe. So I'm taking a very small amount, and I'm adding some rose water. You can apply it with your bare fingers, because I want to make it like a scrub. You can also use like any face applicators, like brush. Do not use sponge. I don't recommend sponge because sponge doesn't give you a good application. So I'm gonna mix it and show you guys. So this is the consistency you need during applying. So I just put some amount on my hand. So this is how you're gonna apply. Do not overdo it. So yeah, this is like you can make it like a smooth paste and leave it for just 5 minutes, and actually you can feel like when it's going to dry, and you can feel like powdery essence coming out. So you just wash it off with normal water and you're good to go. So take this mask at least once in a week, because it's very good for your skin, we are just using like normal ingredients, like how Johnson's powder is very safe for children, so it's very even good for us. So try it out and let me know how you feel.